Well, welcome back everyone. Right, so not moving the boat this week because obviously we moved it last week. So I'm busy painting again. Now I'm redoing the boatman's cabin. I did do it last year, but I used an emulsion and I just didn't like it. So I'm now doing it with a wood paint, a semi-gloss, what is it, white cotton. I'm doing the colour, and then I'm going to I have painted over some of the roses and the castles in the boatman's cabin. I know some people are going to moan, but some of them were chipping, cracked, and in need of serious repair. So what I've decided to do is I've painted over them white, as you can see here, and on the back doors, just there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to repaint myself. I've been practicing at work, and I've done so. Yeah, I've had pretty good results so far. Just on some canvas with some acrylic paint, I've had some good results. So I'm going to redo the roses and the castles, but they'll be my roses and castles. Hopefully they'll be okay. At least I've got to have a go. Got to have a go. And also got a new wood burner. It's a Salamander the Hobbit stove for the back here. I've got the flue for it, so that needs refitting. So I'm going to finish off painting in here, glossing. I call it glossing, but it's kind of semi-gloss. And then we'll wait for that to dry, and then I'll probably fit the flue and that. And also in this video I will take you for a walk round Sales Green, have a look at the pub, the Three Magpies. I think that's really all that's here. I don't think there's any local shop. I think you'd have to walk to Scene, which is probably about a mile away, mile and a half. And I think there's only a local little shop there. I have been in there. They sell plants and stuff. It's only a tiny shop, but they've got a cafe there as well. So when I move down towards Scene, I will walk into Scene and have a look round. I can't remember. I don't even know if there's. I think there's two pubs in Scene. I think there's the Barge Inn, which is on the canal. I've been there before. I think there's one further up in the village, but when we get there we'll check that out. So I'm going to crack on painting. So yeah, sit back and let's watch paint dry. Right. I thought it'd be a bit boring watching paint dry, so we'll have a break from decorating, and we'll go for a walk around Sales Green. I'll show you what's about, and we'll have a look. I think there's one pub, there's no shop, so just kind of give you an idea of when you're more up what's about. So Sales Green is a part of the Scene parish. We will be stopping at Scene. I'll be moving there shortly. So we're more up near where the old ironworks were, and we'll have a look around there. The ironworks were opposite the Barge Inn, long since gone. But Sales Green had its own little railway halt, so we'll have a look where that is. It's near where I parked up when I was moored up near Fox Hangers. I didn't realise, but you wouldn't know because it wasn't called Sales Green Halt. It was called something completely different, but we'll discuss that when I get there. I might even fly the drone over so you can follow the railway line, because I think Scene Station is only half a mile away, heading west towards Holt. So yeah, this is where we passed the other day. So that's an old wharf. Right, so let's go and have a look where the old railway halt was, and I'll give you a bit of information there. Right, so that's looking back towards Fox Hangers. There's the old bridge that goes across the canal up there. We went past it not long ago, just before we moored up at Fox Hangers. Now this is the old railway line. So this is the Devisers branch. Now it went from Holt through to Putney and Churton, where it joined the Great Western Main Line there. It shut in the 1960s with a good old beaching. It shut most of the railways, which would now be very profitable. Very short-sighted, but I think the minister in charge of the railways owned a large lorry haulage company, so you can understand why all the railways were shut down. I bet his shares went up. But yeah, it's unlike MPs to be a bit corrupt. Nothing changes, I suppose. But yeah, just over there, so this is the old railway line. Just down there was a brick pit, I believe. Now the Holt, Sales Green Holt, but it wasn't actually called Sales Green, was just up here, and it had a siding. Now, what was loaded on at the siding? Basically, put a siding in at the Holt, which was called Bromham and Rowd Holt. So it wasn't actually called Sales Green, and the reason they put siding in because they were hoping to get freight traffic from all the agricultural land around here, like moving sheep, vegetables, produce, etc, etc. But it didn't take off. The Holt was opened in 1909. It wasn't very busy because when they'd done an extension in Churton towards Westbury, that kind of killed this railway line off. So that's really why it was shut in the 60s. But now it would be really busy because Devizes, massive town now. You know, they've built all these houses. Yeah, you'd have had so much foot traffic to get to places. Right, so the line come from Foxhangers down there, and it went straight through that industrial building there and off towards Scene Station. And it was just a little Holt, had a siding where they could shunt freight traffic, pick freight traffic up, drop freight traffic off. So yeah, and that was where the old station was, or Holt. Bridge there. So that little hamlet there is Martinslade. So that's where the wharf was. Now coming up here, this is Sales Green. So there's no pavements, but we'll have a walk up here and have a look at Sales Green. And we'll see where the railway line went across the road and went off towards Scene Station. So yeah, there you have the sign for Bromham. So the Holt was called Bromham and Rowd. So I think down here, this is where I think the railway line went under the road. A bit further on towards Scene Station, it went over the road we've just been on. Let's see if we can find the railway line. The railway line would have come through here. It's hard to tell now. I mean, these new houses are aptly named, the old railway line cottage and carriage house. So the Devizes branch line would have come through here. I'm wondering if this would have been a cut-in. It's just so hard to tell. It really is. So you'd have had trains trundling through here, passenger trains, freight trains. I don't know, I think it was just a single line. I'll double check on that. But right, let's go and have a look at Sales Village itself. There's not really much to see. As I said, it's not got much. It's got a nice pub. If you're ever in the area, go to the Three Magpies for a meal, because it is nice. Sunday dinners are lush. There's Sells Green bus stop. Sells Green and 3 Magpies, so it's very popular. There's a stone and granite place there. Let's have a look. It's probably the only industry here, I think. We've got fossils as well. How cool. And here we're coming up to 3 Magpies. Just before we get to the 3 Magpies at Sprout Lane, the Camping the Caravan site. That's near where I moored up. The old red phone box, now a defibrillator. Just trying to say that when you've had a few pints. And here is 3 Magpies pub. I think it's shut. Yeah, it is closed. So we won't have a pint today. I will come back and have a pint. I'm at work tonight anyway. Plenty of parking around the back. It's got a nice little garden and play area. And seriously, if you are this way, the meals are amazing, especially the Sunday dinner. Oh, there's a campsite as well. I didn't know it had a campsite. So there's 2 campsites.
You round the corner, 4 a.m. Headlights through my window like sunlight blazing in. You lay your head down, square on the wheel, and that horn is sounding through the night's tender still. And I've got to thinking your heart ain't worth this pain.
So this is the Devizes branch line embankment. So it would have been a bridge over here to take the railway line towards Scene. There's still some old brickwork there. You can see some old railway brickwork there. So I don't know if we can get a bit closer. I saw some. So yeah, we're now under the bridge. The railway line would be above us. Obviously not there anymore. You can still see the stonework for the bridge up there, but I can't get up there. I don't know if you can see it. You can see that line. There's a knackered fence. thanks for watching that video. It was just a little walk around Sales Green. Obviously don't forget to like or subscribe, it does help the channel. You can obviously buy me a coffee as well, and there'll be a link somewhere. But yeah, stay safe, and I'll see you again on the cut soon. Tatty byes for now.